Hello viewers, welcome to Lucky Lasya Creations with me Mangala Chetan. Today I am going to show how to pack delivery bag and what are the essentials needed for mother and baby. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and for more notification. Friends, before packing your delivery bag, once you have to ask your doctor and you should know what are the facilities available in your hospital. And also you should ask what are the essentials you have to carry with you while you are going to hospital. And usually you pack your delivery bag by 38th to 40th week because you can expect baby by 40th to 42nd week. Friends, usually if you had normal delivery you have to stay in hospital for 3 days, and if you had C-section you have to stay in 5 days. Friends, here I am displaying all the essential which are required for both mother and baby. And first I am going to explain what are the essential which you carry in your bag for mother. First I am taking 3 maternity nighties. If you are normal delivery, 3 nighties enough. So I am taking 3 nighties here. They should have front button and side zip. It will help for you to feed your baby. So 3 nighties I am taking. And after delivery, while coming home, you need to carry one dress, and that dress should be maternity dress, so it will be very helpful and convenient for you. Along with that, you have to carry some 1 or 2 shawls with you, because usually while you are feeding your baby you should cover you with dupatta. So 1 or 2 thick shawls you take it. And after delivery they will make you bath, so that time you need a towel. So take 1 towel, 1 or 2 for your convenience. And after delivery, it may be summer or winter, you should wear sweater. So you have to carry 1 sweater, and sweater should be smooth cloth, and along with that you take 1 scarf or 1 cap, because you should not expose to cold. And take 2 to 3 pairs of socks and 1 pair of slipper. What are the slipper you used in hospital, leave outside, and in home use new one. And along with that take some 2 to 3 hand towels. Now let's see what are the essential items required. First of all, we need maternity napkins. In that, New Mom brand is very good. And this totally come with 4 packs, and each pack contains 5 number of sanitary napkins, and it will cost around 700. It's very good. And use and throw panties, so you can easily discard. And if you are not comfortable, you can even take cotton panties, and take low quality cotton panties. And these are all available in Amazon. Link I am giving in description box. So if you are using use and throw panties or cotton panties, use New Mom sanitary pads. If you are not comfortable, you can use adult diapers. So it will be very helpful, because first 1 week you are feeding baby and you won't be comfortable. So adult diapers is very good and convenient. So this link also I am given in description box. So you can take which one is convenient for you, adult diapers or panties with sanitary napkins. And friends, take nearly 2 to 3 maternity bras. They are very helpful for you when you wear dresses, and you will feel comfortable. This link also I am given in description box. Along with that, take basic makeup kit and toiletries like face moisturizer, face wash, soap, shampoo, and brush, comb, lip balm. These are the essentials, and powder. And 1 small scissor and small mirror also I am taking. Along with that, there might be mosquitoes, so I am taking Odomus and Vicks. So these are the basic makeup kit and essentials I am taking here. All these keep in 1 bag and keep aside. And friends, mainly you should keep cotton, because after baby you have to keep in your ears, because you should not catch any cold. So this one also keep in makeup kit. And now I am showing what are the essentials needed for baby. Friends, all the clothes of baby should be washed in Dettol. And I am taking 2 soft cotton towels. Along with that, as doctor told to bring 2 cotton sarees and 1 white punches, so I am taking totally 3 cotton cloths. And I am taking 1 more extra shawl with me, which it's also soft one. Along with that, take 1 baby wrap or baby blanket. And to wrap baby, they will ask you. This one also I have taken in Amazon. Link I am given in description box. And take 1 waterproof bed protector. This one also very convenient for you to make baby sleep and your bed won't get affected. So this one link also I am given in description box. And after baby, usually first day we won't keep new dresses, so I am taking 2 old cloths of Lassia baby. So and along with that I am taking baby suits. If you are using Pampers, you can use baby suits and it will be very convenient for baby. These are 3 suits and cloth is very good. So this one I have taken in Amazon. So if you are not using diapers, you can use shirt and nappies. So this one also very convenient. Nappies means just cotton diapers. So anything you can use. And take some 2 to 3 caps. I am taken round cap and even triangular cap. So this tying cap is very good and convenient for a new baby. And this shirts has 6 colors which I have brought in Amazon and cloth is very good. This link also I am given in description box. You can check out and you can buy because affordable price. Friends, along with baby clothes, you have to take one baby sweater. This is full set. It has socks and cap. So it's very convenient and very smooth. So baby will be very comfortable with that. Along with that, you have to carry baby socks and mittens. Mittens is nothing but baby gloves. For gloves, we usually call mittens. So these are also washed with Dettol. And see how cute it is, very small tiny one. So nearly some 3 to 4 pairs you take it. So now toiletries, soap and shampoo you take it. Along with that hand wash and sanitizer. And in hospital they will ask baby soap and baby powder. So without miss you keep baby soap and baby powder. Along with that I have taken baby shampoo and lotion. But they won't ask in hospital, but better you can keep it. So all these things I am keeping in one small bag. Along with that I am taking one small kajal for baby. So all these things I am keeping in one bag. And now baby diapers. In baby diapers take Pampers Active Baby and small size. It has 46 numbers and it's tape type. So it's very convenient for you to wear baby. And this is very good for suits which I shown before. So you take some 10 to 12 baby diapers to hospital in one small cover. And now main thing is baby carry bed, because baby is very small and it's not comfortable to carry in bare hand. So baby carry bed is must and should for all new moms. And this is baby bed protector. So always use one bed protector inside the baby bed. On baby bed keep baby sheet protector, then one shawl and make baby lie on this. So it will be comfortable for baby also. And so along with this you have to carry baby wet wipes, one packet you take it to hospital. And due to pandemic you take some 2 to 3 masks with you. And tissues if you may require. And along with that all medical records, insurance cards and even Aadhaar card, Mediclaim cards, all these you keep in one file and take it with you. And your wallet and cards and cash, this one you should not forget. So all these things also you have to carry. Along with that some miscellaneous items like power bank, charger and camera to take baby photos. And you take some few plastic covers because to bring any wet clothes to home it will be very convenient. And take water bottle. And in water bottle Milton is better because after baby you have to drink hot water. So for 24 hours it will keep water very warm. So these bottles you take. And along with that if you are using any medicines previously you have to take with you. So all these essential items you have to carry. And all the links are given in description box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And viewers who are already subscribed, thanks a lot. Keep on supporting us. Thank you. Have a good day.